sitting in jail for 8 years without a set bail. In Alabama, Karan Davis's constitutional rights to a trial for the June 9, 2007 murder of 29-year-old Pete Reeves have been violated. He has never been tried for the crime Davis says he didn't commit. Witnesses have moved away. Some of Davis's family members believe that a long-standing grudge between Karan's grandfather, a civil rights activist who regularly challenged local prosecutors and those overseeing Karan's case, is to blame. His mother continues to petition to get him justice. Folks, I'm trying to understand, how are you 8 years?
It makes no sense.
8 years?
We have a Sixth Amendment.
Yes,
where is that?
Speedy trial? Alabama, really? That's speedy?
And we just saw in New York, and the brother's name escapes me right now, but we just saw in New York the brother
who's in Rikers Island.
For
a stolen backpack.
Who never had his who never had his 3 years. Who never had his day in court. And so beyond the fact of this man not having a speedy trial, he's deserved to. What is it doing to his psyche? What is it doing to his mind? What is it doing to him as a citizen? So let's say he's absolved and cleared of this. Once he becomes a returning citizen, if he moves into a life of crime, into a life of destruction, the state has no one to blame but themselves.
Because the guy in New York, when he came out, he committed suicide because he was not able to afford bail, and they kept him in Rikers Island prison, and then they ended up dropping the charges.
Right.
It's just ridiculous.
Sitting in county jail for 8 years. That's despicable.
No, it just makes no sense whatsoever. All right, folks, last headline here.